Hello everyone. Our topic is ECG signal processing using digital signal processing technique. So here is a digital signal processing technique abstract. Digital signal processing and data analysis are very often used method in biomedical engineering research. This paper describes utilization of digital signal filtering on ECG. The performance of algorithm is studied in DSP environment as well as a MATLAB environment for comparison. The result of this study reveal potentially of DSP system for routine clinical use. So here is literature review carried out attempting wavelets for diagnosing biomedical signal. Baker carried out artificial nature network of ECG signal analysis in time domain, thus corresponding arithmetic and determinants using AWN. Around 95% result is achieved for identification of need for the study. So what is need for the study? The diagram ECG is a time varying signal reflecting the iconic current flow which causes the fibers to contract and subsequently relax. A signal normal cycle of ECG represents the successive atrial repolation and ventricular repolation which occurs with every heartbeat. The ECG is a device that measures and records the electrical activity of the heart from electrodes placed on the skin in specific location. This paper introduced compression survey of digital filtering method to cope with the noise artifacts in the ECG signal. The aim of this paper is to extract important features of ECG using signal processing technique. In this paper, approach of different digital filter for ECG in signal processing are discussed. Thus, nowadays, important signal processing appears to be visual sign of saturation. So here is a hardware details. DSP based ECG signal which comprises of a set of electrodes ECG preamplifier board TMS3 20C6711 DSP starter kit DSK with 3.5 mm audio jack and Pentium IV desktop PC. The DSP based ECG signal has been built around the TMS320C6711 DSK. Two electrodes ECG preamplifier is controlled using operational amplifier MCP607/OPA2336. The output of the amplifier is directly connected with the code input of the DSK system. The code sampled the ECG signal at the sample of 1 kHz. The data is stored in DSK buffer memory for processing. Research design. The focus of our research in ECG signal filtering with the intention to remove the noise that's from several sources. The commonly used method in DSP filtering is the convolution as one of the most important technique of the signal processing. It is defined as the mathematical operation that combines the input stream and impulse response in order to generate a new output stream. In case of a filter, the impulse response is known as filter kernel. Each value of the output stream is digital signal convolution is represented as the sum of input stream multiplied by a set of weight coefficient which define the impulse response. The impulse response is this signal that result when delta function unit impulse is the input in the DSP filter. During this research, we have used three classic filters to eliminate the noise, that is low pass filter, high pass and band pass filter. Low pass filter are designed to weaken all frequency above the cutoff frequency known as a stop band while passing all frequency below the pass band. These filters are composed to stream the data items. All samples of the output stream are in fact weighted average of the input with the adjacent point of low pass filter. A simple low pass filter is presented in the following figure. So here is a figure shown of low pass filter, and second one is high pass filter. A high pass filter is opposite characteristics of the low pass filter. Here is figure shown high pass filter. Third one is band pass filter. The band pass filter is a composition of the high pass filter and low pass filter. This type filter passes the certain range of the frequency and reject the frequency of the remaining region. The frequency response of the simple band pass filter is shown in figure. Research and design. Algorithm 1. Present the sequential version of convolution of one dimension input with kernel. The complexity of the algorithm depends on the input and kernel stream length, that is 0 mm. When run on CPU, the flow sequentially, meaning that inner loop length depends on the kernel size. This flow visualizing. Here is the algorithm. ECG signal analysis. Heart rate convolution ECG signal is analyzed using built-in function of wavelet transform to calculate the heart rate. The normal value heartbeat lies in the range of 60 to 100 beats per minute. A slower rate than this is called a bradycardia, slow heart, and higher rate is called as tachycardia, fast heart. If the cycles are not evenly spaced, arrhythmia may be indicated in the PR interval is greater than 0.2 seconds. It may suggest blockage of the AV node. The equation to calculate heart rate is given below. Here is the ECG signal analysis. Heart rate, original ECG signal after MRA, and ECG after Dick Valley detention. Here is third image. Total third image is shown ECG signal analysis. Figure 12 shows ECG signal analysis flow chart, and figure 13 shows calculation of heartbeat using WT intrinsic function. Also, here is a MATLAB code. So, conclusion. In this work, the power of the memory on chip DSP was realized by implementing the various signal processing algorithm for ECG signal processing and analysis. The wavelet approach is more than the conventional filtering techniques, which highlight the details of the ECG signal with optimal time frequency resolution. Result obtained by executing the sequential algorithm and the parallel data flow algorithm show that obtained results are identical for low pass, high pass, and band pass filter. Both MATLAB and LabVIEW have immense effect on ECG signal processing. They are so useful and handy that even one can monitor his/her heart condition simply utilizing the power MATLAB and LabVIEW without having an ECG machine, and also self-diagnosis is possible. All these examples and techniques that are discussed here can be really useful for experiment, lab purpose. Even we don't have an ECG data, we still can simulate and analyze it. So, thank you.